While multiple choice tests are easy to create and grade automatically, they're easy to gain. Besides rewarding students for guessing, a more insidious problem with multiple choice tests is that incorrect answers potentially expose the student to misinformation, which can lead to later misunderstanding of related topics. Business faculty, in many cases, teach quantitative techniques, and their mastery can only be verified by testing the student's ability to apply the right techniques and calculate the correct answer to various business problems. Blackboard allows the creation of calculated formulas tests to do that. Content area, you select assessment. In the drop-down list, you select test. The option to create the test or select an existing test shows up. You select create a test. When the test creation is complete, this test will appear in the list below and allowing you to reuse it in later courses. You want to name your test by topic to facilitate future use as opposed to just naming it by number. In this screen, you can also add a test description and instructions. These can also be added later when the test is created by editing the test options. Click Submit, and the test is now created. Now, under Create Question, you can select Calculated Formula. Click OK. You start entering the text of the quiz as well as the variables. Now, the variables that are used in the calculation must be entered in square brackets to be recognized as variables in the formula. In the formula box, you enter the formulas with the square brackets for the variables. And in this page, you select the value range for each variable. In this case, I've used the same minimum and maximum values for each variable, but you can customize this as needed. Click Next. And the next step is to enter the number of datasets to be randomly generated in each test occurrence. This ensures that all students are tested on a different set of values for the variables, making copying impossible. Click Next to see the dataset. This is what the dataset looks. It shows the first 10 different datasets that will be presented, but we generated a list of 100. You click Submit. And here you see the question summary, which displays the text of the question, the answer formula, the number of datasets that you've selected, and the student feedback messages. When students take the test, this is how the questions appear to them. They will have to calculate the correct answer, enter it in the answer box, and once they write in their answer, they'll save and submit, and they will receive feedback depending on whether their answer is correct or incorrect.